How to change sensitivity on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change sensitivity on Warface. Changing sensitivity on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your account. Go to the setting menu. From the main menu, look for the setting or option, usually represented by a gear icon. Select Controls or Sensitivity setting. Navigate to the Controls or Gameplay tab. Look for the sensitivity setting, which may be divided into categories like General, Aiming, Sniper or ADS. Adjust sensitivity level. Use the slider to adjust the sensitivity for various controls. For example, horizontal sensitivity, vertical sensitivity, aiming sensitivity, etc. Set the sensitivity to your preferred level for both general movement and specific actions such as aiming or sniping. Save the changes. After adjusting the setting, click on Apply or Save. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change sensitivity on Warface. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.